Welcome to the Incredible World of Chichi show. This is Ribbit with the black. This is Black Chichi. They're both ice. And welcome to my Go Animate channel, but everything is super wrong right now. And this is Wyatt and this is Presto. Welcome to the Incredible World of Chichi's show. And it presents Chichi and Ribbit and his family are going to Eddie World / fun. Back. Hey kids, I have a surprise for you. We are going on the road trip to California this day, and we are going to go to Vallejo to see Gumball. Of course, yeah. I can't wait to see Gumball Watterson, but we live in Lake Havasu, Arizona with my cats. Well, my cats needed a Jack-in-the-Box, my cat Ashley. Can't wait to go. What is the stop? We'll see. Eddie World, we're going to Eddie World. Let's hop in the car. Driving in the car. Our destination is right along the I-15. We're gonna go get gas first, turn left. We're here at Chevron. I'm filling up some gas. Would you wait? Yes. Yes, as well. We fill our gas up and let's head on the road to Gumball's house. Okay, we are going to Gumball's house, but there's another object. We should see Yermo. Okay, we're off and we're here. We're here at Eddie's World. We're here at Eddie's World. We're here at Eddie's World. We're here at Eddie World. Yay, Eddie World in Yermo, California. I can't wait to get some candy and ice cream. Yay, 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 yay. Look at this whole giant sundae. Holy guacamole! Look at all those exotic food, Ribbit. Yeah, we're wearing Gumball fans. Yes, and I can't wait to go to Vallejo, California when I do. Yeah, of course. Oh, look what's here. Ah! Guess who's in Eddie World? The what? I'm scared. It's it's the candy pots. Oh, what about the restrooms? Maybe we're gonna see somewhere else. And look at all those candy. They're really brand new. Okay. Anyways, let's hit to Gumball's house. Yes. Sure. We are off on the road to Vallejo. We're going to see how we feel. Let's go to Bakersfield. Oh, that's a long drive. Wee hee hee. A long drive on the road to Gumball's house. Let's go to 1026 York Street, Vallejo, California. We're here at Gumball's house. Whoa, look at this blue house. Joyful uplifting again. Whoa, look at Gumball's house. I can't wait to make Gumball. Yay, 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 yay. Gumball's my best friend. I really want to meet him. Yes, and what about the cool things? My cool thing is about Gumball's cat. Let's meet her. Let's meet the Watersons family. Hey, Chichi. Hey, Ribbit. Hello, Gumball and Darwin. We might make sure we have a road trip. Our road trip is about 6 hours, but it's about 8 hours. Yeah, it's really cool for a person, but I really like your house though. But maybe it's a little bit, but I think it's kind of scary. And whoa, what Darwin made. Whoa. Thanks, Darwin and Gumball, for your picture, but that's scary.